I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Now we are learning the lesson that is inside the kitchen 3, means this is the third video and this lesson goes under EVS 2. In previous session you have learned about different methods of cooking, that is roasting, boiling, frying, steaming, these methods, and new terms like combustible substances, non-combustible substances, and what is fuel. So these terms we have learned in last session. So today in this third video we are going to see the same lesson but different point, that is which fuels we are going to use for the cooking. So lesson is same inside the kitchen, but this is the first video. So let us start. Earlier people used to cook on chulhas or kerosene stoves, because earlier these gas cylinders were not available, but nowadays most of the people prefer to use cooking gas. Cooking gas means this, in most of the houses, in your own house, in your neighbors, everyone is having this gas and this cylinder. This is called as LPG gas. LPG is the short form, its long form is liquid premium gas, and this is easily available everywhere, and as compared to chulha it doesn't give any type of smoke and it is very easy to use. If we cook on chulha it gives us lots of smoke as well as it consumes lots of time, but if you cook on the cylinder, on this cooking gas, it doesn't require more time. As you can see here in one cylinder 2 shakdis or 3 shakdis, types are different, so at a time you can cook 3 items or at least 2 items. So your time will save, and that whatever time you have saved, that time you can use for another purpose. Even on the stove also it takes lots of time and it is noisy too, but if you use cooking gas it lights quickly. You can use the lighter, just one press and you can light the gas, and it doesn't give out any type of smoke, and as well as it is, as I told you, it is time saving, and that saved time you can use for another purpose. So nowadays this is the reason that most of the people, mostly everyone, preferring to use the cooking gas. Even not only in the cities or metro cities, even in the villages also, most of the houses they are having this cooking gas. Nowadays very few people are using the chulhas or stoves, because everyone is having this cooking gas, and as well as our government is giving this cooking gas free of cost. So most of the people is using this cooking gas as a fuel for cooking. Some people in the villages use firewood. Now this was the first we have seen, that is cooking gas. What are the benefits of this we have seen. Now cooking gas, as I told you here, cooking gas is easy to use, it lights quickly and it does not give any type of smoke. Now see about the chulha. This is also one type of fuel that you can use for the cooking, but as I told you that now also most of the people are using gas, that is correct, but those who don't have the facility, or those who are poor in the villages, some people are using this chulha. So this also we can use, but it requires the wood. So here in cooking gas, which fuel you are using? Fuel means, we have seen that fuel means for obtaining heat, what substance you are using, that is called as fuel. Here this is the shakdi and this is the cylinder. For obtaining, here how the fire will come, how you will get the heat through this cylinder, because in this cylinder gas is fed. So this LPG gas is the fuel for this cooking, and this in this chulha. So what thing you are using to getting the heat? You are using wood. So wood is the fuel for this chulha. And if you want to cook on chulha, what you have to do? Wood you are getting from the trees, so you have to cut the more and more trees, which is very harmful for the environment. And if you are cutting the trees again and again, the environment will be polluted, again there will be the scarcity of rain, and you will not get the pure air. So these are the things which you have to face due to cutting of the trees. And why we are cutting the trees? For this chulha and other purposes also. So that's why we can say that cooking gas is easier than this chulha. And if you cook on chulha, it gives out lots of smoke. Here also you can see that it gives out smoke, and it requires time as compared to the gas. And so much time you have to spend on this chulha for cooking, because it doesn't lights very quickly as compared to gas. It requires wood, as well as your house will become black, and you require the time for this. Some people, this is about the chulha. Now next is kerosene stove. This is the stove that here, this is also one type of thing that you can cook on this. So how it works? Here you can see the tank at the bottom, this yellow color. This is the tank of the kerosene stove. This tank you can use for filling the kerosene. You can fill, here is a lid. If you open this lid, then you can fill the kerosene into this tank. As the kerosene is full, you can light it. Here is a pump, you have to pump it, and you light with the matchstick, you can obtain the heat. So which fuel you are using for obtaining the heat into this kerosene stove? Obviously we are adding kerosene, means which fuel we are using? We are using the kerosene, and it requires the kerosene. But if you are cooking on this stove, it gives out lots of noise. Two people can't talk properly if you are cooking on the stove, because it gives out noise. That's why it is little bit troublesome. Some people use coal burning stove and burning wood for cooking, which is also troublesome task. This stove we have seen, this is the kerosene stove, but again one stove also you can see, that is coal burning stove. In coal burning stove you have to use coal. Coal means koila. That is, you have to use the coal to obtaining the heat. That is also one type of stove which you can use for cooking. But these types of stoves are very, to cook on these types of stove means that is a very troublesome task. It also makes a lots of smoke. Those who use fuel like wood or coal must have windows in their kitchen. Here you are using wood, and here it is stove. If you are using wood or kerosene as a fuel, you should have, or whatever, if you are using gas, though window is compulsory in the kitchen. So what are the benefits of if you are keeping the window? Then one benefit is you get lots of light, and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. See, in the chulha, this wood collects lots of smoke in the house, but if window is there, then the smoke can go through that window. And even in the stove also, whatever smoke will come out, it can go through that window. So you can prevent your house from becoming black. So these are the things that you have to do while cooking on the stove and on the chulha. We have seen about the kerosene stoves. Stoves are also different types. We should add kerosene to get the heat. As I told that kerosene is compulsory to add. You can't add another thing. This is the kerosene stove, so it will work on the kerosene. So this we have seen. This is cooking gas. It works on LPG, that gas. This is chula. It works on wood. And this is kerosene stove. It works on the kerosene. And next is hot plate. Hot plate means this. Again, one word you can say for this is induction. Nowadays this induction also most of the people, many people are having. And how it works? It works on the electricity. We can call it as a hot plate also, we can call it as a induction also. So it requires the electricity to use, and it is very convenient to use. Just the difference is, for cooking on this you should require the flat containers, as you can put it on that plate properly and you can cook it. This works on the electricity. So this is also one type of fuel that you can use for the cooking. Next is solar cooker, but before that some people uses biogas also. So what is biogas? Biogas is a fuel which is produced by mixture of different types of organic things. Some people use the heat from the sun for the cooking. This is the solar cooker. In this solar cooker, what we have to do is, this totally works on the sunlight. See, you can see here, this in first picture there is like a this is one container. This inner cover is completely colored with the black. Why only black color? Because black color absorb the heat. And as compared to the another color. And outer cover, this its lid is made up of with the glass. Why glass? Because sunlight passes through the glass and it absorbed by that black color, and inside of that containers you have to keep, and the food get cooked due to this sunlight. So that's why we are using the sunlight. So the name has given to this thing is solar cooker. Why solar? Because we are using the solar energy, the energy which we are getting from the sun. But there are some drawbacks of this thing also, this solar cooker also. When you are using this solar cooker, it takes more time. It is very time consuming as compared to gas and all. As compared to gas, this solar cooker requires the too much time. And most important thing is, it requires the sun. When there is a bright sunlight, at that time you can use this solar cooker. So these are the different kinds of stoves or fuels which we are using for the cooking. So once again I will repeat it. That is, first we have seen cooking gas. What are the benefits of cooking gas? It lights quickly, it doesn't give smoke, it is easy to use. This is chula. We have to cut the wood for this. Kerosene stove, hot plate, solar cooker. So study this, and you have to make a list of the dishes which you can prepare by mail. Thank you.